Welcome to the demo of Ultimate Purchase Orders app for Shopify. Ultimate Purchase Orders allows you to create purchase orders for your Shopify orders and products and send them to your suppliers with the minimal effort possible. The application can also send purchase orders automatically to your suppliers using your email address on behalf of you. Once the items are received from the supplier, you can transfer them to Shopify with a single click. You can also dropship products to your customer directly by issuing the purchase orders with your customer's address as the shipping address. Let's get started by creating your first supplier. Click on Create Supplier. Enter the supplier company name. You can use a short name for the supplier to use within the app. Enter the contact person name for the supplier. Enter the supplier's email address. Purchase orders will be sent to this email address. Choose supplier's currency if the supplier does not accept your store's currency. Enter the supplier's address in the given fields. This address will be displayed on the purchase order. To link the suppliers and products, use either the vendor tag or the product tag. If vendor tag on your Shopify store is unique to a supplier, then choose the vendor tag from the drop-down. If you have configured multiple vendor tags for the products from a single supplier, then choose the product tag. In the next section, we will see how to link suppliers with a product tag. Optionally, you can customize additional fields like shipping label, tax label, shipping methods, purchase order notes, payment terms, shipping terms, etc. You can provide an estimated number of days for delivery. The application will automatically calculate the delivery date or expected date based on this. You can provide the tax percentage that has to be used. You can also override this tax for individual products. Similarly, you can provide a default shipping charge for your purchase order. Once you are done, review the details and click on the Save button. Congrats! Your first supplier is now created. Before we proceed further, let us link the products and suppliers using the Products tag. Click on the supplier. We can choose the products to be linked with the supplier, or link all the products within a Shopify collection to the supplier. Choose the collection option. Select any Shopify collection to link the products with the supplier. This collection has 10 products. Now, click on the Link Products button. That's it. The products will be linked with the supplier within a few minutes. Now that the products are linked, let's issue some purchase orders. In this demo video, we will go through different use cases and ways for creating the purchase orders using the application. Let's start with the manual purchase order creation. Go to the Purchase Orders page on the application and click on Create PO. Choose the supplier you want to send the purchase orders from the drop-down. Select your billing address and your shipping address. You can choose your default addresses, or any address from the locations configured on Shopify. When you create purchase orders from your Shopify order, you can also choose your customer's address as the billing address or the shipping address. Now add a few products from your store. Update the unit cost and quantity if required. You can also include taxes and shipping in the purchase order. Select the date of the purchase order and the expected date. If you have already configured the notes, shipping method and terms, they will be pre-populated when you choose your supplier. Review the details and click on Create and Send. You can also save the purchase order as draft and send it later. It will take a few seconds for the PO to be created and sent to your supplier. You can see the emails sent to the supplier, with the purchase order and packing slip attachments. You can also download the purchase order and packing slip from the app. Now, we will see how to create a purchase order from a Shopify order. Go to Orders on Shopify navigation pane and choose an order. I'm choosing this order number, which I have set up for this demo. This order contains 3 products from 2 different suppliers. Click on More Actions and choose the Create Purchase Order option. The app will now fetch the order details and automatically add all the line items here. Now select the supplier for this purchase order from the linked suppliers. Notice that when you select the supplier, the app will automatically ignore the line items from the other supplier. You can ignore this item as they will not be added to this purchase order. Once done, review the details and click on Create and Send. Now you have created the purchase order for 2 of the 3 products from this Shopify order. To create the PO for the remaining product, repeat the same process. Go to the Orders page on the application. Choose the same order number. Click Create PO. Now choose the other supplier. Click Create and Send. That's it. We've created the PO from the Shopify order and sent it to multiple suppliers. Now, we will see how to create purchase orders automatically. Go to Settings. Click on Purchase Order Settings. Select the Enable Auto Purchase Orders checkbox. Choose the conditions when the purchase orders must be created. Next, you can choose whether to send the purchase orders instantly, or wait for you to review the details before sending. Save the settings. Now that the setup is complete, let us head to the Orders page. I've already set up an order for the purpose of this demo. This order contains 4 products from 3 different suppliers. As the PO will only be created when the order is paid, I will mark this order as paid. This will simulate your customers paying on your store. The application will create the purchase orders automatically if the conditions are met. Let's visit the Purchase Orders page to check out the newly created POs. As expected, for 3 suppliers, the app has created 3 purchase orders, with 1 PO having 2 products and remaining have 1 product each. The app has created 3 purchase orders and sent to 3 different suppliers without any effort from you. So no more manual email drafting and updating the Excel sheets. Now, let's receive some inventory from the POs and transfer it to Shopify. Open the PO by clicking on the PO number. Click on the Receive Items button. Update the inventory that you have received manually or click on the Receive All button. You can receive all inventory at once, or only some of the inventory. Keep the Update Inventory on Shopify checked if you need to adjust the inventory level on Shopify for these products. Finally, click on the Receive Items button. You can do the same to transfer any pending products when you receive them. You can also see the timeline of the events that took place for this purchase order, like creation, email, billing, receipt, transfer, etc. With this, we have come to the end of this demo. We hope that the application will be useful and saves you a ton of time. In case you have not installed the app yet, head over to the Shopify App Store and download the Ultimate Purchase Orders app and get 7 days of free trial. In case you need our help, or have any doubts, or need a new feature, feel free to contact us by visiting the support page and sending us a message. We usually respond within a few hours from Monday to Saturday between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.